Mary keeps the quiet griefs folded softly like dead leaves, words we never got to say, hands that slipped from ours away. She has heard the midnight cry, no one else was standing by, and she gathers every tear as though each were bright and dear.